Wonderful, and I enjoy speaking to y'all. So I really appreciate y'all coming out. Give a hand for yourself. Since my man brought up Occupy Wall Street, I did a song called Distractions that when I visited Occupy Wall Street, I didn't have anything to say. I was just overwhelmed by the experience, and they caught me on tape. They put me in front of people. It was like, you gotta speak. And I spoke, and I had just written this song, and I didn't really have it memorized. But I kicked it there, and I'll do it for y'all now. Distractions. All right. Nowadays we be rocking glasses for fashion and fuck up a light refraction. A couple with Max Factor and hustling ass backwards. Sure as high tech look like Richie from Last Dragon. Your focus on bogus rappers got you caught up in distraction. Who fucking who? Who cares? It's distraction. You wish it was you, don't you? Why you asking? Try to break the law of attraction. Get a piece of my attention like a fraction of a ration. No, I'm easy little more, so to suck your blood if you believe in the immortals. Nocturnal like a sleeping disorder. The water drawn away from the shore. Ain't no ordinary storm. Killing for a humanitarian cause. We never showing up in the four. The Irish bring us what is core, but it's looking like the private 4-4. It ain't about the spoils of war. Turn around and tell you how much more the oil will cost. Steal the land from the Native American and call our missiles Tomahawk. Make them a mascot. Dress up like a for sport as a final insult to this beautiful culture. Scavengers feasting on the dead like a vulture. Snagging. How you keeping up with my rapping? You barely keeping up with Kardashians. You caught up in distraction. It's the living truth. They try to make the truth elastic. It's Mr. Fantastic. I'm recycling these rappers. Truthfully, these niggas is plastic. I'm coming through the front door blasting. I ain't talking about no emails that you always sent to the masses that somehow end up in my trash bin. Them niggas got the aim of sharpshooters in the hearts of assassins. Artist war, artist life, artist passion. No time for... I give a fuck if the president wear a flag pin rhyming as deep as holes. Chilean miners was trapped in all the cracks in the earth under Asian minor causing disasters. Deep cuts way above your minor refractions. Talk to rappers like children. That's how they acting, holding hands like minors in traffic. Captains in industry, lovers of status quo, have a deep-seated fear of change, but them is strange. They want to go back to the 50s, asking for a return, but them days is much blacker for lack of a better term. Adapted to the time, culture we had to learn, came about as natural as a perm on a pachyderm. These fashions that had to turn, packing the German burners, the Lugas, the next shooters is waiting for Superman to get nothing but Lex Luthor, America's nightmare. Vivid as Fred Krueger, heroes are dead to us, spirit that bled through us. Endear us with the rhythm. The flow is so foolish. What you hearing is precision. People are so thirsty. What they seeing is mirages. Passion for a shot and their YouTube collages. Stomping through like Elisha's, exposing the false prophet. Taught how to do the knowledge. I'm never off topic. A lie's like a potion. First it gets you open, then you swallow whole. Straight for the truth. Fuck a chase and skip religion into politics. And straight for their compassion. Everything else is a distraction. Peace.